Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to install Python in your PC. First of all, go to Google Chrome and type Python. Click on the first link. Here you can see it downloads. The latest version of Python is 3.8.0. Click on it. So I have installed Python. Click on file, add Python to the path, install. So I have installed Python. So Python is installed. In order to check Python installation, go to command prompt, type Python. You can see Python is installed in our PC. In the next video I will show you how to install Python IDE. So see you in the next video.